Hello, my dear children. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Computer Online Class. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Chapter 1, Advanced Features of Excel 2013. Dear children, do you remember what we have learned in the last class? Yes, can you please tell me what we have seen last class? Yes, we have seen about the autofill feature of Excel 2013, right? So what is the use of an autofill feature? It helps you to fill a series of data without actually typing the complete series of data. Example, you have seen about the days of the week, right? So if you type Sunday, you will get the remaining series of data by clicking and dragging it down, right? Yes, so this is the use of autofill feature. In today's class, we'll see how to add your own list of items to the custom list. So in the last class, we have seen using autofill feature, you can fill the days of the week and months of the year, right? How is it possible? Because the days of the week are already it's stored in the custom list. Okay, so when you type Sunday, you will get the remaining series of data automatically. If suppose you want to create your own list, for example, subjects, if you want to create, you can create using the custom list. Okay, so the Excel 2013 allows you to add your own list to the custom list. Okay, so you can create your own list as your wish. Okay. There are two ways to add a list. You can add this list in two ways. The first way is by importing the list of items. Okay. So first you can type the list of items, then you can click import. Okay. It will get added to the custom list. So by importing the list of items. The second one, in the custom list dialog box itself, directly you can type the list of items. See, second one, by typing the list in the custom list dialog box. Okay, so let's see about this in detail. The first type is importing a list of items. So let's see the steps how to import the list of items to the custom list. The first step, in a worksheet, type say the subjects you study, then you have to select the list. So first you have to type the subjects, for example, Maths, English, Science, Social, Hindi, Sanskrit. You have to type the subjects that you study. Then you have to select the complete list. The second step, click the File tab and in the menu, click Options. The Excel Options dialog box appears. So the next step what you have to do, you have to click the File tab. When you click the File tab, you can see a menu like this. Okay, so this green color menu you can see. And at the bottom, you see the options. Yes, right? Can you see the options? So you have to click this options button. Okay, so when you click the options button, you can see the Excel options dialog box will appear. Okay, so when this Excel dialog box opens, in the left pane, you have to click advanced. Okay, so when this box opens, you have to click the advanced option. Then under the advanced option, you can see the general settings. Okay, so in that general, you have to click the edit custom list button. So let's see here. See, in this, when you click the file tab and in that you click options, you will get the Excel options dialog box like this. Okay, so in that left pane, you see the advanced option is available, right? So can you see advanced? Yes. So you have to click this advanced option. So you scroll down and see the general settings. Next you see general. So in that down you see edit custom list option is available. So you have to click this option. Okay. When you click the edit custom list option, you can see a custom list dialog box appears like this. Okay, so when you click the edit custom list, you can see the dialog box, that is custom list dialog box. Okay, so in that you have to verify the cell range of the list of items that you selected gets filled in the import list from cells text box, and then click import. That is, you have to verify whether the list of entries is correct or not. See here, what we have selected in the first cell gets entered here: English, Maths, Social, Science, right? Hindi and Sanskrit. So the list of entries is correct now, right? So then you have to click verify that list is correct, and then you have to click import button. See, the import option is available. Okay, so you can click import here. Okay, the next, the list gets added to the list entries and custom list boxes. So now the list entries will get added to the custom list. So now you can click OK, and the list will get entered in the custom list. Okay, so now if you want to type the subjects, just type English. Automatically you can see Maths, Science, Social, Hindi and Sanskrit below. Okay. The next method is typing the list directly in the custom list dialog box. Okay, for this what you have to do, first you have to open the custom list dialog box. Okay, so follow the same method as before and you open the custom list dialog box. Okay, and you have to click new list. Okay, you have to click new list in this dialog box. See here, new list option is available, right? So you have to click the new list option. Next, type the entries, say list of seasons, in the list entries box. Press enter after each item. So now you have to type the seasons one by one. For example, spring. Then you have to click enter. After each item you have to click enter. So it will go to the next line. So next season, summer. You have to type the list of seasons like this. Okay. The next step, then you have to click add. Okay. Finally click OK on both dialog box. So now you have to click add. Okay, so the list of entries will get added to the custom list now, and you can click OK. Okay, so how to edit or delete a custom list. So first let's see how to edit a custom list. So to edit a list, make the changes in the list entries box and then click add. See, follow the same steps and open the custom dialog box, custom list dialog box, and in that you have to click the list which you want to edit. For example, English, Maths, Science, Social, you want to edit it. So you have to select that list first and then you have to edit the list. For example, if you want to remove one subject or add one subject, you can do it in the list entries box and then you can click add. Okay, so next you'll see how to delete a custom list. So to delete a list, select the list in the custom list dialog box and click delete button. See, for example, you select the subjects here and then you click the delete option available. See here, you can see the delete option. So when you select the list you want to remove, so delete option will be available. So when you click delete, the list will get deleted. Before that, it shows a warning message. And if you confirm it and you click OK, the list will get deleted. Okay. First click Microsoft Office Excel and open. When you open a blank workbook. You can see a blank worksheet here, right? So now we'll work on it. Okay. So let's type the subjects now. See, the first type, we are going to import the list of items to the custom list, right? So let's type the subject that is ready. Tell me the subjects: English, Tamil, Maths, Science, Social, GK, Moral, Computer and Hindi. Okay, so next what you have to do, after typing the list, you have to select the complete list. Okay, so now you have selected it. So next you have to click the file tab. Okay, click the file tab and below you can see the options. See here, options. Okay, so click the options button. Now you can see the Excel options dialog box. Okay, here you have to click advanced option, then scroll down at the right side, you can see the general settings available here, and you can click the edit custom list. When you click that, you can see the custom list dialog box. Okay, so now you click the subjects. Okay, so here you can see English, Tamil, right? So click that, see the list of entries got entered here, right? Now you click import. So now the list of entries get added into your custom list. So click OK and OK. So now let's check this. When you type English, now you can click and drag it below. You see, all the subject that we entered is here, right? No need to type it separately every time. So all the time if you want to enter this list of subjects, you can type only English and the remaining subjects you will get it by autofill option, because we have added this list to the custom list. Okay, so the next method is, what is the next method? By typing the list in the custom list dialog box directly. So now let's see this. So go to File tab, click Options, click Advanced, then you have to go to General and click Edit Custom List. So now you can see the custom list dialog box here, right? So now you have to click the new list, because we are going to create the new list by typing it in the custom list dialog box. So for example, let's see the seasons. So type the season spring. Then you have to click enter after each item, right? Okay, spring, next summer, monsoon, autumn, and winter. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to click add. Okay. When you click add, you see here in the custom list, you can see the seasons gets added up. Okay. Now you can click OK. Okay. So let's check it now. Type spring here. Spring. Okay, spring. So now click it and drag it, this fill handle, you can click it and drag it down. See what happens? All the seasons are here, right? So this is because this list is now in the custom list. So when you type spring, the remaining seasons you will get automatically. Okay, so you understood now? So these are the two methods. The first method is importing the list of items. The second method is typing the list directly in the custom list dialog box. Now let's see how to edit or delete the custom list. So to go to File tab, click Options, click Advanced, scroll down, and in General you click Edit Custom List. So now you want to delete the list of items. See, for example, you want to delete the spring, or you want to edit it. The subjects you want to edit, you want to add one more subject, Sanskrit. So click enter and you can type, okay, Sanskrit. Or if you want to add one more subject, Malayalam, you can add it. Okay. Now you have to click add and click OK. Okay. Now you type English. Okay. Now we type English and you see. Click it and drag it down. See, you can see after Hindi, Sanskrit and Malayalam, the recently edited list you can see now, right? So English, Tamil, Maths, all the subjects that we have added up in the custom list, you can see here. Okay. So next you see how to delete the custom list. So same, go to File tab, click Options, click Advanced, then you can click Edit Custom List. So here, if you want to delete the newly added items, so now I click here and click Delete. You can see a warning message here, right? List will be permanently deleted. Okay. So delete this English, Maths, this also you can delete it. Okay. Okay. Click OK on both dialog box. Now let's check what happens. Okay. Now you type English and click and drag it down. You cannot see the remaining series of subjects, right? So only English gets copied to the remaining cells. So because we have deleted the list, right? So it's not available now. Okay. Okay, my dear children, I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubts in this topic, you can contact me and you can clarify your doubts. Okay, thank you children. Take care. Have a great